Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana bread French toast using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of banana bread, ideally about 1 inch thick. Also, grab 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter for the pan and any delicious toppings you desire. Now, let's prepare our flavorful custard. In a shallow dish, whisk your 2 large eggs until they are completely combined and slightly frothy. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently mix these ingredients together until you have a smooth, uniform custard. This mixture will give your banana bread that classic French toast texture and taste. With your custard ready, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat until it's melted and shimmering. Carefully dip each slice of banana bread into the custard, making sure both sides are evenly coated but not overly saturated. Place the dipped slices into the hot skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious banana bread French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm for the best experience. You can drizzle it with classic maple syrup, a touch of honey, or simply dust it with powdered sugar. For an extra treat, add some fresh fruit like sliced bananas or a handful of berries. This easy method creates a delightful breakfast or brunch in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.